Hello everyone, thanks so much for tuning in to our channel once again. So today's video request is how to use shape as frame in Canva. So let's get right onto it. All right, the first thing that we need to do is to go to the Elements section and we're going to type in frame. And in order to see more options, let's click on See All. And here you have lots of options to choose from. Let's take this one for example. And in order to insert a photo here, then this is what you can do. If you want to insert your own photo, then go to the Upload section and select any photo you want. But if you haven't uploaded your photo yet, then click on Upload Photos first. And then once it shows up, it'll be right over here. So just click, drag your photo onto the frame. In order to position your photo properly, double-click on it and adjust its position, just how you like. Once you're done, click on Done. And that's it. If ever you want to create a custom frame using some shapes that you cannot unfortunately find over here, then perhaps this is something that we can do. Let's go to the Elements section, and then we're going to look for some shapes that are a bit complicated or more complicated than the basic shapes that Canva has. What I'm talking about is these. These are Canva's basic shapes. So if you cannot find frames using shapes that are more complicated than these, then this is something that you can do. Let's look for something that we can use as an example. Let's choose a certain shape right over here. Say, for example, this one. I don't think we can find it on the frames category, so let's work with this one for now. So we're going to use this one. We're going to change its color to black to be able to see it much better. And now we're going to go to Share. Let's click on Download. And for the file type, please make sure to select SVG. This is a very essential part in this process. And yeah, unfortunately, this is only available for pro users. And make sure to click on Transparent Background before you download. Once you do that, click on Download. All right, so navigate to the location where you'd like your SVG file to be saved in, and then rename it. Wave frame, for example. And then hit Enter. All right, the next thing we need to do is to open PowerPoint in our computer. So open PowerPoint, and then click on Blank Presentation. Let's close this one for now, and then we're going to delete these text boxes. All right, we're going to go to Insert, and we're going to click on Pictures. And now we're going to navigate to the location of our SVG file. This one, Wave Frame, and we're going to click on Insert. We're going to resize it first and position it properly. And now we're going to click on Convert to Shape. This prompt will appear. No worries, you can just click Yes. And then we're going to click on Shape Fill. Then select Picture. And then browse from a file. Select any picture you want to temporarily place on your custom frame. So I'm going to select this one and click on Insert. And there it is. Now we're going to save our custom frame. So we're going to go to File, Save As, and then navigate to the location where you'd like your file to be saved in. And I'm going to rename this wave frame. But we're gonna, this is very important. We're gonna save it as a PDF file, otherwise it will not work. And then click on save. All right, so this is the PDF format. We're now gonna go back to Canva. So we're gonna go to our home page. Then we're gonna go to projects. And in order to upload it, we're gonna click on add new and click on upload. We're gonna navigate to the location of our PDF. So we're gonna open it and it'll load up here. Let's wait for it to finish uploading. And here it is. Let me just exit this first so that we have a bigger screen. And we're gonna click on it and it'll open in another tab. And here it is. Oh, let's close this one. Let's try to see if it's going to work. So I'm just gonna zoom it in first. And I'm gonna click on elements to look for some photo elements that I can use to insert it here. This one, for example, we're gonna drag it and place it here. And there, it worked. So that's how you create a frame out of shapes that you cannot unfortunately find under the frames category. So yeah, we hope you found today's video of help somehow. I'm going to be creating a design. If you want to see how it's going to turn out and if you want to learn my process, feel free to keep watching. But otherwise, it's still okay. We appreciate it and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.